What's up, you guys? It's your boy Maya coming at you with a new video. We been working really hard trying to get this thing done, but the 190T is starting to come to life. Our buddy's on his way over to come check out the progress that we have already done to it, and hopefully he likes what we're doing. It's his car, but it's kind of a group project, which is pretty awesome that we're even making this thing come to life. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys for all your support. Enjoy. All right, guys, go ahead.
Yeah, we cut out a lot more. Well, it's 100% welded. It's not going anywhere.
Does it approve your official shake test?
This guy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, what you got to do today
Take out a sound.
is take all this black shit off the floor. All of it.
I was expecting a little bit more enthusiasm.
Yeah, so
When he saw this, like, the unveiling of what the hell we did, and he's like, yeah,
I'm not
whatever.
impressed.
It's not finished, so I don't care.
I'm surprised you guys didn't move this out of the way. Or did you?
No.
She gonna cut me. Cut down more.
I need the hammer.
When in doubt, break it out.
You're getting a little too
Yeah.
close to the hammer, bro. Yeah, yeah. Vikings nothing ass.
Only thing you're doing is getting tired.
I need protein. Give me protein.
Alright, so before I get into it on what we're doing today, my brother's talking shit about how I have the camera mounted so you guys can see everything from that point of view. Okay, it works,
It's not the prettiest, but it does the job.
I mean, has the perfect drift setup. Okay, zip ties hold it all. And it does, it's holding it all. But in the eyes of an angel. I know. What's up, everybody? Hope everyone's having an amazing week so far. I know we are. We just got done discussing how we're going to be starting the framework of the bed of the truck.
For hours. We've been talking about this for about 2.5 hours.
It took us a couple of hours because we had a rough idea on how we were going to do it.
We didn't know exactly how we were going to execute it, though. That's the problem.
But I think we figured it out. We have
Yes.
a good, solid plan on what we're going to do. So we just got to finish up the firewall for the rear, you know, bar and all the braces and stuff. And then we can start on the first out of 3.
Yeah, I'd say probably 3 areas.
3 different
1, 2, 3.
sections of framework for the bed of the truck. Then we can get to putting in the L brackets and the sidewall framing so we can do the sheet metal. But all the sheet metal that's capping everything off is going to be last, obviously. We have to frame it. And it's kind of the most important part, or else
Definitely.
nothing's going to be sturdy. But
You don't want to drive a truck and hear it go weeble, weeble, wobble down the road. That's just kind of ghetto. And we are trying to make this very nice. So,
trying to make it the right way.
yeah, exactly. We're not trying to do anything half-assed. Let's just put it that way.
We might be backyard mechanics, but
Hey, we get the job done, and we get it done right the first time, unlike his stupid phone mount that you guys are on right
that
now.
phone mount works.
But it's
My phone
ghetto.
mount works, all right?
If you like the phone mount, go ahead and leave a comment in the description that it was genius. If you're on my side,
Or send us a link to a real phone mount so
Yeah.
we could check out some ways that we could, I don't know, record
you think they
the
have
content.
a tripod? They might make a tripod for phones.
I don't know. Yeah, so I'm using my phone to record all this content.
Yeah, because we broke the other camera. The last video you guys saw was a terrible video. We apologize for that, by the way.
But
yeah.
on a positive note, we're going to get to work. Got a lot of cutting. I have a lot of welding and
Yeah.
fabricating to do. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy this part.
Definitely.
But see, I told you my trusty little camera holder will work. Some damn good zip ties, let me tell you. Well, I got that other bar welded in. Now, it's time for some more cutting. back of the firewall's done. Just need sheet metal and we're done. We're done with the project. That's it. We're finished. We're finished. This can roll down the road. We're done. It's good. Just kidding. How you liking it, sir?
That's good.
Just good, huh?
You
There's-
said that's good.
There's no enthusiasm in this guy.
It is fantastic.
It is fucking awesome,
It is the
alright?
best
Oh,
I've ever
my bad.
seen. It is on point. You know what? It is mint, bro. It is mint.
Fucking.
Fucking mint.
I knew he was
Nah.
gonna say that.
But, so these guys just need to cut some more so I can weld some more. And we're going to start framing out part of the bed.
At least this side.
Yeah, at least. Hopefully, right?
Yeah, hopefully we can
At
get
least
it done
cut.
tonight.
I can always weld it tomorrow or whatever. But it's coming out pretty awesome, guys.
Set up in place and shit. This one isn't even gonna be straight.
That one looks...
It's gotta be level with this, huh?
Yeah, that one looks like it's too
Gotta
high.
go down more, don't it?
Just hit it with the hammer, bro.
No.
More and more.
So we're starting the frame of the bed of the truck now. Firewall's done.
This one's gonna go down more.
Got the awesome helping hands.
It's gonna go something like this. This is
A little
obviously not-
something like this.
It's not gonna go exactly like this, obviously.
So we're putting these braces that you can see. They were 8.5.
8.5 inches apart.
Every single one is 8.5 inches apart.
Yep.
That's just how we're doing it. But
Bang.
Judge us, don't judge us. I don't care.
I don't know, it's coming
It'll
out
be
pretty
fast
sick.
anyway.
It's gonna have little, like this little guy right here. It's gonna have little things underneath, you know, make it all structurally sound and strong. But I need to get to welding. We're running out of daylight.
Yeah, we got probably 45 minutes left
You think so?
for the day. Yeah.
It's getting kind of chilly.
What's up, guys? As you can see, it is a new day. The sun's out. It's not dark anymore. Last night we ran out of time. It was just way too dark to do anything. It was a little unsafe for us to continue to keep going. So we're gonna go ahead and finish it up today. Once we're done, unfortunately we have a whole bunch of errands and everything to run. So we're gonna go ahead and end this video right here. We appreciate everybody who's watching our videos, hitting that like button. Thank you very much. We appreciate all the support. I guess we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.